Despite not officially confirming their relationship, Piolo Pascual addressed the possibility of rekindling his romance with Shaina Magdayao now that they are set to work on a new series together. Sitting down with OG Diaz, the Malyari actor said he's more focused on working with the actress than dealing with personal stuff between them after he was asked if he's willing to continue his rumored relationship with Magdayao. Let's cross the bridge. But I don't wanna get ahead of myself. I'm more for the work. We wanna continue on his, Deo and Drinel, legacy. We wanna give it our best. So I'll put aside the personal stuff first, he said. Pascual affirmed that he is on good terms with the Four Sisters and a wedding actress, saying, "Okay naman kami ni Shaina. Me and Shaina are okay. We're good." The Esperanza actor underscored that if there was something that would happen between him and Magdayao, he had no intention to announce it publicly as people would just see it. Oo, sa tanda nating to, what you see is what you get. I'm not trying to hide anything or do something. If it's there, if it's happening, people are gonna see it. If there's anything, people are gonna know. Anyway, he remarked. When asked when he is willing to settle down, Pascual replied that his priority right now is his work as he aims to provide the audience with quality content. Masarap yung tinatahak nating path ngayon. We're forging this path for the next generation. Maganda yung demand ngayon for content. Nag-iiba yung land space ng entertainment, he said. I'm a sucker for good stories. I love what I do. I'm married to my job. I've been saying that for the last 25 years or so, added the actor. Pascual and Magdayao have been rumored to be dating since 2012. Despite not putting an official label on the status of their relationship, the actor said in a past interview that he appreciates the actress' willingness to put up with him, and that they also enjoy each other's company.